This is Larry Williams, and I'd like to show you one indicator I think every trader needs, and it's now in StockCharts.com. We're looking at our Williams WillTrend Index. This is a measure of trend. When we get above the trend is changed to the upside. It gives you lots of opportunities. You can be a buyer here or on pullbacks. As long as we don't close below the trend, we want to buy all the pullbacks. Now we're going to stop buying the pullbacks, and we look to sell when we run into this line. And again, we get above the line. We want to look for taking short-term buy signals in this area. We're looking at Fastenal here, a company I followed for many years, strong company. Okay, our buy point is here. Our sell point is over here. Strategy now on a short-term base would be to sell rallies. If we do get above this line, close above it, then we know the trend is back to the upside, and we'd want to go long again. This trend change indicator works on any stock or commodity. You notice we're looking at Tesla now. There's our buy signal. There's the sell signal. Buy signal, sell soon, get whipped a little bit. Oh, we get above it. We can take short-term buy signals. Trend's down, now the trend's up, and we catch a huge move in the marketplace. Now the trend's down. So if you want to make certain that you're in phase with a trend, you're wondering, well, can I buy in this pullback in here or not? As long as we're above the WillTrend indicator, absolutely you can. We're looking at it now in the triple Qs on a daily basis. You can use it that way. You can go to a weekly basis, and there's a weekly buy, weekly sell, weekly buy. Oh, it's still long from way back here. And for intraday traders, yes, we can use it on an intraday chart. Let's go to a 15-minute chart. Our buy signal came over here. We ride the trend up until here, get long again over here. So it's a great indicator to help you get in phase with a trend and the trade in phase with a trend. That's it, my WillTrend indicator and StockCharts.com. I think you're going to love it.